Hello, welcome back to Sai Nakshatra Collections. I am Raksha. So today we will see simple chain and bead collection. The collection are completely microplated, that means gold plated. This won't fade fast. So first we will see the simple chain. So in this chain I have used the strawberry beads. This is original strawberry beads and real pearls with microplated chain, handmade. This comes around 18 inches in length. This is how it looks, and I've given back chain also for this. This is green color bead, green strawberry green bead. Okay, maybe it's looking mint color here, but in the video, but this is a green bead, green strawberry beads. This is priced at rupees 350, free shipping all over India. Second one is this pearl bead. This is a pearl chain, very nice, clean, simple chain. It looks same as gold chain. Okay, this is actually inspired by a gold collection. Real pearls with the simple chain. This is priced at rupees 350. So next we will see this amethyst. This is purple amethyst bead. You can see this purple shade here, and this is called amethyst. These are semi-precious. This is not precious one, and I've used this Nakshi ball. This is priced at rupees 799, free shipping. Next we will see the same amethyst purple bead in a different model. This is same as that, but I've used a little other type of nakshi balls. This is very neat. I've used 3 nakshi beads between this. This will look very nice. This looks as an Indo-Western look with the beads and amethyst. This is priced at rupees 799, free shipping all over India. This is how it looks, very neat and nice. This is 18 inches in length. I'll give you extra link. You can just adjust as per your convenient. This is very elegant piece. Amethyst is in trend, purple color. Yes, very neat and nice it has come. Excellent piece. This is in trend now. Purple bead. Purple beads are in good trend now. So this is 799, free shipping all over India. Both comes with the same price, 799, but different model. Very nice and neat model. So next we will see another chain. This one you maybe have seen in my DIY video. This one I've made, and this one also I have. This is in black bead connections. As you know, I made a video on this chain. Okay, this is this coral beads are very costly. Each bead will cost you more. Okay, this looks very nice. This is cost at rupees 350, free shipping all over India. These are elegant one. You can pair it up with your jeans and top. Looks very nice. So next we will see this black bead connection. This is black spindle. Okay, see this work, very neat one, very minute. I've given 2 coral bead and a gold ball there. This is around 18 inches, and see this look. I've just given this link like this. This is black. This is priced at rupees 599, free shipping all over India. See the work, and it is very neat and nice. 2 layers I've given, and this looks very neat. Very 2 mm bead. This is 2 mm bead, and this looks as same as gold, because in gold also we get the same in black bead connections. I've tried in that way. Hope you people like it. So if anyone interested, please take a screenshot of the product and WhatsApp me, and you can book your orders. Thanks for watching.